What if I told you your skin could start showing noticeable improvement in just a few days, without expensive products or complicated routines? No one is born with bad skin. Not you, not anyone. Yet most people slowly damage theirs every single day, without even realizing it. You look in the mirror. That moment is never easy, and when you look closer, you notice scars, acne marks from childhood, dry patches, or uneven skin, and suddenly it hits you. The reflection staring back isn't just your skin. It's all the tiny mistakes you've been making every day, silently stealing your glow. Because let's be honest, nobody enjoys facing that. So you go online. Thousands of videos appear. One says aloe vera, another says rice water. Someone swears by a serum, while someone else claims that same serum is making things worse. Your brain shuts down, you get confused, you get tired, and in the end, your skin stays exactly the same. Here's what almost no one tells you. It's not about luck, genetics, or fancy products. I've distilled the clinical science, the expert hacks, and years of trial and error into a system that actually fits a human schedule, and I'm going to walk you through it, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 powerful things you can do today that actually transform your skin, and 3 habits that keep it clear long term. And at the very end, I'll share a guide I created that makes all of this chaos simple to follow, a clear roadmap anyone can use without overwhelm. It's like having a skincare mentor in your pocket. But for now, let's start with tip number 1. Throw away the towel. Yes, throw it away. I know you're thinking, wait, what, my towel? Most people keep using the same towel for months, even years, thinking it's harmless. Maybe it's soft, maybe it smells fine. Maybe you think it's clean enough. But here's the thing, every time you wipe your face, that towel collects tiny residues, dirt, oils, and even bacteria. And the worst part? You don't see it. You think you're helping your skin, but in reality, you're slowly undoing everything else you do. The cleansers, the serums, the masks, all of it. One innocent swipe, and your hard work is sabotaged. Now, I'm not saying you need a new towel every single day, that's unrealistic. But here's the real trick. Just let your face dry naturally. No friction, no rubbing, just clean, calm skin, ready to absorb everything else you'll do next. Let the water evaporate on its own, like a tiny reset button for your skin. And here's the kicker. Get this step right, and every other tip works 10 times better. Skipping it is like pouring water into a leaky cup. Nothing else matters. Next time you wash your face, resist the towel. Let your skin absorb all that water. Tip number 2, fix your gut. Your skin depends on it. Yes, your stomach and your skin are secretly best friends. It's called the gut-skin axis, and most people don't even know it exists. A misbehaving gut doesn't just mess with digestion. It silently triggers inflammation, breakouts, dullness, and uneven skin. That's right. That's stubborn acne, redness, or tired-looking skin. Your gut is probably sending you a flare-up signal. Now, don't panic. You don't need an expensive test to start helping it today. Your skin is like a diagnostic map. Those breakouts, puffiness, or redness in certain areas are clues your gut is out of balance. Here's what you can do right now to fix it. Eat fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, or kimchi. They're packed with good bacteria that calm inflammation. Add fiber-rich foods like oats, fruits, and vegetables. They feed your gut and keep everything moving. Reduce processed sugar and junk foods. These feed the bad bacteria and trigger inflammation. Manage stress. Your gut literally reacts to it, and your skin reflects it. Meditation, walks, or deep breaths work wonders. When your gut is balanced, your skin heals faster, glows naturally, and actually absorbs the creams and serums you use. Think of it as fixing the foundation. Everything else you do on the surface works 10 times better. So, instead of chasing every new serum or mask, start from the inside out. Treat your gut right, and your skin will thank you. Naturally, visibly, and faster than you think. Tip number 3, stop conditioner clogging. You're in the shower, feeling like you're in a hair commercial, but you're actually suffocating your skin. Most people wash their face first, then rinse their hair. It sounds logical, right? Wrong. It's a trap. Here's the gross truth. Hair conditioners and masks are literally designed to stick. They contain heavy silicones, waxes, and quats that act like a glue for your hair. When you rinse, that invisible chemical slime runs down your forehead, your jawline, and your back. If you've already washed your face, congratulations. You've essentially shrink-wrapped your pores. You're applying expensive serums over a layer of invisible hair plastic. Nothing gets in. But the sweat, dirt, and bacteria, they're trapped underneath. This is the secret cause of those stubborn forehead bumps and acne that never seem to go away. You don't have bad skin, you just have hair wax living in your pores. Tip number 4, stop drowning your skin. What if I told you that chugging liters of water is doing absolutely nothing for your skin? It's the ultimate healthy trap. You're sipping all day, you're running to the bathroom every 20 minutes, and yet, your skin still looks like a dry, wrinkled raisin. Here's the hidden science your body is screaming for. If your water is too pure, your cells can't actually grab it. You aren't hydrating. You're just flushing your glow down the toilet. Literally. To fix this, you need to unlock your cells with the pinch hack. Next time you fill your bottle, add a tiny pinch of high-quality sea salt or a squeeze of lemon. Do not skip this. These act as electrolytes, the biological key that opens your cell membranes. Without that key, plain water is like rain hitting a concrete sidewalk. It just runs off. But with the pinch hack, it's like rain hitting a thirsty sponge. Your cells finally soak it up. They plump up. And that glass skin glow starts appearing from the inside out. Stop just drinking water. Start actually hydrating. Tip number 5, the liquid vacuum and the shield. If you could only pick one hero for your skin, this is it. Forget stacking 10 different creams. You only need 2 things to finish the system, a smart acid and a simple shield. First, the liquid vacuum. Oily skin or blackheads, salicylic acid. Dry or dull skin, glycolic acid. Here's the secret. Most people use these like regular soap. Don't. These are powerhouses. Use your acid serum only 2 to 3 nights a week. Think of it like a professional deep clean for your house. You don't scrub every morning or you'll ruin the carpet. This serum dives into your pores, dissolves the junk, and flushes it out from the inside. Now the golden rule. Follow it with a shield, a basic moisturizer. Even oily skin needs this. The serum does the work, but the moisturizer locks that glow in. Skip it and all your hard work literally evaporates. First, use your acid serum. Salicylic acid for oily skin, glycolic acid for dry skin, to clean your pores deep. Then, follow with a moisturizer to lock in hydration and glow. This simple 1-2 punch makes your skin look healthy and fresh, even if you only spend a few dollars. Now, the 3 glow killers to avoid. All those tips won't matter if you keep doing these 3 things. These are the silent habits stealing your results. Habit 1. The pillowcase petri dish. Your pillowcase is a graveyard of old sweat, drool, and dead skin. If you aren't flipping your pillow every night or washing it every 2 days, you are essentially sleeping on a bacteria-soaked bandage. Stop reinfecting your pores every night. Clean the case. Save your skin. Habit 2. The face touch virus. Your hands are the dirtiest part of your body. They carry millions of invisible germs from your phone, your keys, and door handles. Every time you touch your face, you are hand-delivering a breakout to your skin. From this second on, the face is a no-touch zone. No exceptions. Habit 3. The gym trap. For the gym guys, sweat is great, but letting it sit is a disaster. Dried sweat acts like a biological glue, trapping gym grime and bacteria directly into your open pores. If you don't wash your face and body immediately after your set, you're asking for acne and congestion. Don't let your gains ruin your skin. I've spent hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars figuring this out so you don't have to. If you want my exact 7-day routine, the one that takes all the guesswork out, plus the hidden secrets that actually work, grab the Clear Skin Roadmap right below. It's $7. That's less than a burrito, but it's the last thing you'll ever need to buy for your skin. The link is right there. Don't let your progress wait.